Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data engineering with Google Cloud step by step clearly. To start your journey in data engineering with Google Cloud, first, create a Google Cloud account if you don't have one. Once you have your account, navigate to the Google Cloud console. Familiarize yourself with the console interface and explore its various services. Next, consider the specific data engineering services offered by Google Cloud, such as BigQuery, Cloud Pub/Sub, and Cloud Dataflow. Before diving in, it's essential to understand the role of a data engineer and the skills required. Take some time to review core concepts, such as data modeling, ETL processes, and data warehousing. Start with an introductory course on Google Cloud that covers the basics of data engineering. Enroll in the Google Cloud Skills Boost platform for hands-on labs and practice projects. Next, work on real-world data engineering projects using sample datasets provided by Google. Set up a Google Cloud project to experiment with various services like BigQuery for data analysis. Learn to ingest data using Cloud Pub/Sub to manage data streams efficiently. Continue to develop your skills by learning about data transformation techniques with Cloud Dataflow. Practice building data pipelines and automating workflows to streamline your processes. As you progress, consider obtaining Google Cloud certifications to validate your skills and knowledge. Join online communities or forums related to Google Cloud and data engineering to connect with other learners. Finally, keep up with the latest trends and developments in data engineering by following relevant blogs, podcasts, and webinars. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.